Good morning, students. Today is 8th December and thought of the week is believe in yourself a little more. Children, chapter 7, in the previous part we have studied the I have sent the class test of chapter 7 and some miscellaneous exercise problems. Today I will send you the solution set of chapter 7, okay, of class test of chapter 7. And now we will start chapter 8, constructions and types of constructions. Okay, so in construction, if you open your textbook and open the chapter 8, you will come to know let's recall part is given over there. That means you have to construct some triangles. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 constructions you have to do. That part is your self-study part which you have to try at home, and I will send you the photocopy of that constructions which has been already constructed. Okay, now the next part, that is the main part of this chapter, is construction of a quadrilateral. So first of all, let's see what is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a closed figure. Quad means 4 and lateral means side. This you know. Every quadrilateral has 4 angles, 4 sides and 2 diagonals. This includes 10 elements. So there are 10 elements in each quadrilateral. We can construct a quadrilateral if we know the measures of 5 elements out of 10 elements. If you have 10 elements in a quadrilateral, out of which only 5 elements are known, their measures are known, then you can construct a quadrilateral easily. Construction of triangles are the basis of construction of quadrilateral. If you want to construct a quadrilateral, you can construct triangle first. These are the basis of construction of quadrilateral. Here we will construct a quadrilateral where the lengths of 4 sides and a diagonal is given. That is first construction. Now we will do in the next slide. Okay?
Done.
Now children, construction of quadrilateral, first part. To construct a quadrilateral, if the lengths of 4 sides and a diagonal is given. So there is one example given. Construct quadrilateral PQRS such that length PQ is 5.6, length QR is 5 cm, length PS is 4.3 cm, length RS is 7 cm, length QS is 6.2 cm. So these many measures are given to construct a quadrilateral. Now what we will do? We will draw rough figure first. So here I have drawn QS, that is SQ first, as this is the base segment. You can take PQ as also base segment and you can draw the given measures by putting the given measures. So here I have drawn a rough figure PQRS, which is a quadrilateral, and now we will construct a real quadrilateral. Okay, so as I have given the rough diagram, on the basis of it we will construct the figure. So first the base SQ we will take as 6.2 cm. Now construct a quadrilateral. So for that purpose we will take the base. We will take the base as 6.2 cm. So let us take 6.2 cm base. Okay. So what is the name of it? It is S and this is Q. So here we have taken as 6.2 cm. And now what we'll do? We will draw PQ. PQ is what? PQ is 5.6 cm. So take a measure of 5.6 cm in our scale, that is in our ruler, 5.6 measure, and draw one arc over here. Okay, on this side draw one arc of 5.6 cm. Okay, and now this SR we have taken as 7 cm. So what we'll do? We will take the measure in our scale of 7 cm and we will draw the arc from S. So I have taken the measure. So draw an arc of 7 cm from S, and where the point of intersection we got, put a dot over there and then join that dot to Q first in this way, okay, and then that same dot to point S, okay, in this way, and this point is called as R, okay. So PQ I have taken as 5.6 and QR it is 5 centimeter, okay. Now this will be your 5 centimeter, and now take PQ as 5.6 centimeter. So 5.6 we will take in this way, and now draw from Q, PQ from 5.6 arc. Draw one arc of 5.6 from Q, and now from S we will draw 4.3 centimeter arc from S, okay children. We have drawn QR and SR by the given measures, and now take PQ as 5.6 centimeter in our scale and draw that arc, okay. From Q we have taken one arc of 5.6 centimeter, okay. Now we will take from S to P, what measure? 4.3. So take the measure of 4.3. You will use only pencil, children, okay, and draw the arcs. 4.3 centimeter, okay. Draw one arc over there. So now here this arc we have to extend it so that the intersection points which we can get over here is dark. And now the intersection point we have to put a dot over there, and this point is your P, understood. So join P to S now, and join P to Q also, okay, and then give the measures also. Here 5.6 centimeter, here you have to take 4.3 centimeter, write down the measures, okay, and here 7 centimeter and here 5 centimeter. So this is your required quadrilateral. So in this way, at last what you will write? The required quadrilateral. Therefore quadrilateral PQRS is the required quadrilateral, okay. This must be your answer. Understood, children? What we have done first? In this example we have drawn one rough diagram. On the basis of rough diagram I have given the measures, and then what we have done? We have drawn a base of this, and then by giving the arcs, by taking the arcs of same measures, we have constructed a quadrilateral, and at last the answer is quadrilateral PQRS is the required quadrilateral, okay children. Now the second construction. This is the first construction of your textbook, to construct a quadrilateral if lengths of 4 sides and diagonals are given. Now see children, the second construction. To construct a quadrilateral if 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given, okay. Here what is given? 3 sides and 2 diagonals. So here is one example. Construct quadrilateral WXYZ such that length YZ is 4 centimeter, length ZX is 6 centimeter, length WX is 4.5 centimeter, length ZW is 5 centimeter, length YW is 6.5 centimeter, okay. So this is the rough figure of it. I have taken ZW as a base as 5 centimeter, then XW is 4.5 centimeter, then YZ is 4 centimeter, ZX is 6 centimeter, and YW is 6.5 centimeter. So let us start now. First what we will take? 5 centimeter as a base, okay. You can take base as 5 centimeter. So let us draw 5 centimeter segment. So take and draw it. So take out now. This will be your 5 centimeter. You have to take the accurate measurement, children, okay. This will be 5 centimeter and it is ZW. Okay, now the next part is what? From Y to W you will take one arc first. Means WY is what? 6.5 centimeter. So I will take the measure of 6.5 centimeter in our scale and then we will draw the arc from where? From W. From W towards Y is 6 centimeter. Okay children? This will be your 6 centimeter arc, isn't it? And now what we'll do? The next arc from Z to Y 4 centimeter. So I will take the measure of 4 centimeter and from Z, see, from Z the arc is of 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is the point where we got as Y. Okay, now the next part, what we will do? We will join this Y to Z and Y to W. Y to Z and Y to W in this way. Now the next part is what? What we have to do now? From W to X we will take one arc of 4.5 centimeter. So let us take an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So see now, here is W. From W I have taken an arc of 4.5 centimeter, isn't it? This is the arc of 4.5 centimeter. After that, towards X, which segment is going? ZX. So we will take 6 centimeter from Z to X. So that arc we have to take as 6 centimeter. Okay. Let us take 6 centimeter arc from Z to this point. Okay. Let us extend this arc to join this point, and now we got the point of intersection. Put this point as X. In this way, join X to W. Join X to W and again join X to Z also. X to Z. Okay. And now what is left? XY. We have to join XY also. So join this. Now write down the measures. This is 5 centimeter ZW. This will be 4.5 centimeter. And this YZ is 4 centimeter. This will be your 6 centimeter. And this segment is 6.5 centimeter. Okay. Now what is the name of this figure? WXYZ. So answer is what? Therefore, quadrilateral WXYZ is the required quadrilateral. Understood children? In this way, first of all, you have to draw the rough figure, then only you can understand. Okay? So construction 2 is over. So keep in mind and try to do this construction. Okay? And in the next part we will see the next constructions. Thank you.